Hi, this is Jose Blanco again with part 2 of our presentation on how to access and use the Miami Dade College database or databases for research, primarily in ENC 1101 and ENC 1102. Well, part 1 showed you how to actually get into the database. So we are on Academic One file. If we can just scroll down to get, there we go, Academic One file, InfoTrack, Gale. And what that is, it's a company that publishes several journals. Now, colleges and universities buy the rights to access these academic publications so that students in the college can use research and write research papers, and really to advance the knowledge in the individual fields. So when teachers ask for research papers, they don't want you to go to Google. They want you to use sources like this. All right, very nice. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we see that if we go down to where it says limit results, the to documents with full text is already checked. But we also want to check to peer-reviewed publications. Thank you. Now, a peer-reviewed publication is an article that has been examined, reviewed by experts in their field. That means usually professors, let's say it's a paper on psychology. Well, several psychology professors will read the article and say, yes, this fits the generally accepted guidelines for publishing an article in our field. So it has more credibility than a website where somebody can just put something out there and you find it on Google. That's why instructors stress the use of academic publications or peer-reviewed publications. Now let's say that you're writing an essay, a research paper on human trafficking, all right? Well, we have several keywords that we can use. They give us 3 boxes, but we can add more. Now warning, the more boxes you add and the more keywords you use, the fewer articles you will find. Why? Because the keywords fine-tune your search. So if we can go ahead and type in human in the first one. There we go. Now let's go to the second one. Trafficking. There we go. AFF. There we go. That's it. Trafficking with the ING. Excellent. Now, if we go ahead and click search, we should get several articles. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Let's go to the advanced search again. I would certainly have thought that we would get a lot of. Oh, I think we misspelled trafficking here. Here we go. So trafficking, just the, let's see, there we go. Okay, now click search. And we get 746 academic journal results for human trafficking. Now notice, they are in order. This one was published on, let's scroll up. This is Human Rights in Bangladesh, stresses on the period of 2009 to 2012. And that's December 31st, 2013, which we haven't gotten to yet, all right? So it's published sort of ahead of time. Now notice on the side here it says brief article. Let's avoid brief articles. Why? There's really too little information for your effort. This one, the second one, that says expression and characterization of fully post-translationally modified cellular prion protein in Pichia, that seems to be related to chemistry because the journal Biological Chemistry. So it's not something that we would be interested in if we are doing human trafficking. So let's scroll all the way to the top, and let's go back to our search. Let's go to previous search right here, right at the top, right? Excellent. Let's go to the previous advanced search again. There we go. So let's type in human. Okay, now trafficking in the second one. There we go, and let's just click on, there we go. And now a lot of human trafficking has to do with sex, with the sex trade, unfortunately. So let's type in sex, and let's click, and let's not forget peer-reviewed publications, and let's click search, right here. Excellent. Notice, because we added another box, our results are fewer. We have 92 academic journal articles. Now that's still a large number. Let's look at the first one. The Perfect Business, Anti-Trafficking and the Sex Trade Along the Mekong. Now notice, that's a book review. We do not want a book review. A book review simply gives us, well, a review of a book. We are looking for something, let's scroll up a little bit. No, down, I'm sorry. Something that says report or article. Report or article. Now, in part 3 of our presentation, we will go over actually using these sources and extracting the information in a form that you can use. Thank you.